Good evening, Rahul.
Very good evening, Wisdom Tree. Happy Forest Day!
What is Forest Day?
Today is World Forest Day or Van Mahotsav.
Is that so? What do you do on Forest Day?
We taught people about the need for planting trees and about deforestation. We also planted trees on the nearby ground. My class planted 140 trees. There are 28 students in my class and each student planted saplings in a row.
How many rows were there?
Oh, I did not count how many rows.
It's okay. Just divide the number of trees with the number of students.
Yes, I know I have to divide, but I have to divide a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number, which is difficult for me. I think I need your help.
Do not worry, Rahul. I will tell you how the princess learned this concept. Today, we shall learn about division of a 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. After eating laddus to his heart's content, Bhim was going back to his class.
I have learned division by 2 digits. What if I have to divide a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number? How will I do it? Why should I wait till I need to divide 3-digit numbers with 2-digit numbers? Let me learn about it in advance.
Bhim ran to Guruji and told him about his thoughts.
Good, Bhim. I'm happy to know that you are interested to learn more.
Guruji, Bhim wants to learn because he wants to eat more laddus.
Today, let me teach you how to divide a 3-digit number with a 2-digit. Consider this example. Divide 169 by 34. The first step of division is to estimate our quotient. So, as taught earlier, let us round off 169 and 34 to nearest 10. 169 is closer to 170. So, we round off 169 up to 170. And 34 is closer to 30. So, we round off 34 down to 30. So now we divide 170 by 30. Both 170 and 30 have 0 in its ones place. So cancelling them we have 17 by 3. We know 6 multiplied with 3 is 18 is greater than 17. And 5 multiplied with 3 is 15 less than 17. So 5 is the quotient when 170 is divided by 30. Hence, our estimated quotient for 169 divided by 34 is 5. So now, let us try the division of 169 divided by 34 with the help of this estimated quotient 5. Instead of considering the whole 34 multiplication table, and find where the dividend 169 occurs, we can directly try with 34 times 4. 34 times 5, as the estimated quotient is 5. 5 multiplied by 34 is 170, is greater than 169. So we try with the lesser quotient 4. 4 multiplied by 34 is 136, lesser than 169. So we take 4 as the actual quotient and proceed with the next step. So now we write 4 as the quotient and 136 below 169. Subtracting 136 from 169, we get 33. Hence, when 169 is divided by 34, we get 4 as the quotient and 33 as the remainder. Now let us check if our division is correct. That is, we have to multiply the quotient with divisor and add with remainder. Here 4 is the quotient and 33 is the remainder. 34 is the divisor. So 4 multiplied by 34 plus 33 gives us 136 plus 33 equal to 169, the dividend. Hence verified. Children, now let us do an application problem. If 486 mango trees are planted in 27 rows containing equal number of mango trees in each row, find the number of trees in each row. To find the number of trees in each row, we have to divide 486 by 27. The first step of division is to estimate our quotient. So let us round off 486 and 27 to nearest 10. 486 is closer to 490. So we round off 486 up to 490, and 27 is closer to 30. So we round off 27 up to 30. So now we divide 490 by 30. Both 490 and 30 have 0 in its ones place. So cancelling them, we have 49 by 3. We know 17 multiplied with 3 is 51, is greater than 49. And 16 multiplied with 3 is 48, less than 49. So 16 is the quotient when 490 is divided by 30. Hence our estimated quotient for 486 divided by 27 is 16. So now let us try the division of 486 divided by 27 with the help of this estimated quotient 16. Instead of considering the whole 27 multiplication table and find where the dividend 486 occurs, we can directly try with 16 times 27, 17 times 27, 18 times 27 as the estimated quotient is 16. First, let us multiply 16 with 27. Children, recall two-digit multiplication. What should we do first?
We have to multiply 16 with ones digit of 27, that is 7.
Very good. So, to multiply 16 with 7, we multiply 6 with 7, that is 42. Write 2 and carry 4. Then 1 multiplied by 7 is 7, add 4 that is carried, so you get 112. What should we do next?
We have to multiply 16 with tens digit of 27, that is 20.
So, write a 0 at the end and multiply 16 with 2. We get 32. Hence, 16 multiplied with 20 is 320. Now adding 112 and 320, we get 432. As 432 is 2 lesser than 486, so let us try one more quotient, that is 17. As we multiplied 16 with 27, we multiply 17 with 27 and get 459. As this is also smaller, we try with another quotient, that is 18. Now 18 multiplied with 27 is 486. So the actual quotient for 486 divided by 27 is 18. So we write 18 as the quotient and 486 below 486. Hence, the quotient is 18 and remainder is 0. So 18 mango trees are planted in each row. To check if our division is correct, we multiply the quotient with divisor and add with remainder. Here 18 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. 27 is the divisor. So 18 multiplied by 27 plus 0 gives us 486 equal to the dividend. Hence verified. 214 members were to be selected with 16 in each team. How many teams were made and how many were left? To find the number of teams, we have to divide 214 by 16. What is the first step?
We have to estimate the quotient. So we round off the dividend and the divisor to nearest 10.
To which number 214 is closer?
214 is closer to 210.
Good. So we round off 214 down to 210. To which number 16 is closer?
16 is closer to 20.
Good. So we round off 16 down to 20. So now we divide 210 by 20. What is the first step we need to do here?
Both 210 and 20 have 0 in its ones place. So cancelling them, we have 21 by 2.
Good. So what is the quotient when 21 is divided by 2?
10 multiplied by 2 is 20. So 10 is the quotient and remainder is 1.
Good. So when 210 is divided by 20, the quotient is 10. Hence, our estimated quotient for 214 by 16 is 10. Now, what is the next step?
We have to divide 214 by 16 with the help of estimated quotient 10.
Should we write 16 multiplication table for dividing?
No, Guruji, we can directly try with 10 times 16, 11 times 16, 12 times 16 and see where the dividend 214 occurs. 10 multiplied by 16 is 160, is very much less than 214. So we try with higher quotient. 12 multiplied by 16 is 192, is also lesser. So we try 13 multiplied by 16, we get 208. It is also lesser, but still try another quotient 14 multiplied by 16 gives 224 greater than 214. So 13 is the actual quotient where 214 is divided with 16. So now we write 13 as the quotient and 208 below 214. Subtracting 208 from 214, we get 6. Hence the quotient is 13 and remainder is 6. Hence there are 13 teams and 6 members are left out.
How do you check if your division is correct or not?
We multiply the quotient with the divisor and add the remainder. Here 13 is the quotient and 6 is the remainder, 16 is the divisor. So 13 multiplied by 16 plus 6 gives us 208 plus 6 is equal to 214 equal to the dividend. Hence verified.
Beam, now will you be able to divide 3-digit numbers with 2-digit numbers?
Yes, Guruji.
In this lesson, the princess learnt division of a 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. Rahul, hope you understood the concept.
Yes, I did understand. There are 28 students in my class and we all planted 140 saplings together. So dividing 140 by 28, we get quotient as 5. It means that we planted 5 rows of trees.
Good. You're a fast learner, Rahul.
Thank you.